Hello friends, my name is Geeta Rajput. I am from Chhattisgarh. I have joined India English Bolega Abhiyan. I am talking about Suraj sir. Suraj sir is a great English spoken trainer and this conversation is very fantastic and improving for me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
अगर आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ सकते हैं तो बोल भी सकते हैं और ठान लिया तो डेफिनेटली बोलेंगे.
Welcome you. Good afternoon. I welcome you in the live session of India English Bolega Abhiyan. This is Suraj Kumar from Bokaro City, Jharkhand. I have been learning English for 20 years, teaching English for 5 years, and I am founder of India English Bolega Abhiyan, and I teach online, offline, and I teach in Hibro application as well. Do you know about Hibro application?
Yes, I use daily. Yes.
Great, great. Please introduce yourself.
Yes. So my name is Geeta Rajput. I live in Chhattisgarh. If I talk about my qualifications, so I have completed my post graduation and completed diploma also. I'm a mother of 2 children and I live in village. And now I am co-learner.
Okay, then you tell me about the Hibro application. You know that you have been using this application, and what is your experience about it?
It's a fantastic. But that how can it's possible because my our atmosphere is not okay because my family members and my friend circle is not using English. Then after one day I watch one video, so they are defining all things that yes, one app is used to 25 minutes per day. Then after I install this app and then after I use daily before installing is Skype app. Now this time I install Skype, so I use this app. Yes.
As you know that there is a great importance of practice in this language, and if you practice every day, then really you will be fluent very soon. Because you know that plenty of knowledge if you have and you don't practice, then all knowledge are useless really in this language. Yes, that's why you need to practice as much you practice that much you just become fluent and your English becomes so smooth. You know that, and if
Yes.
really you try. Then with whom do you try? You just only you practice in Hibro application and accept Hibro application. Do you practice yourself? Otherwise, any co-learner, any you have any physical partner with you to practice this language?
Yes. I have practiced a lot because I attend 3 sessions in Skype app, and then after my I practice in vocabulary is writing story and yes, watching a lot of conversation video. Yes, I practice a lot of
Okay, you tell me that why do you watch conversation videos and what is the importance of watching conversation videos?
It's
Please.
the most important because use a daily routine and a lot of topics. So if we are listening carefully, so I understand. Yes, one day I feel that I understand everything, which is I listen. Then after I decided that if I listen, so I can speak also. So that's way
Great.
listening is very important. Yeah.
Really, that's why just all my students I suggest that you just watch every day minimum 30 minutes conversation videos.
Yes.
Again, you see the magic within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Your I think mindset it will be like this that you will feel that the environment, because you know that environment is very important nowadays. And if you think that I don't have environment, how could I speak English? Really, just I'm not looking that anybody is, I think, talking in this language, then these are only excuses. Yes, because if you
Yeah.
have determined that one day I will be fluent and my English will be fantastic, then really it will be possible. Only you need to follow some guidelines, you need to watch the conversation video, you need to practice. Yes, and
Yes.
if you are doing all those
Yes.
things, really it is 100% guarantee that one day your English will be fantastic. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I fully confidence because I have worked hard every day. I'm not skip anything because I'm a homemaker. Then after I have a lot of work. Then after I use, I built my mind and I focus my goal.
You can narrate me any story and in this language, and it will be beneficial for you.
Sorry, I'm not hearing you. Can you explain me? Can you again repeat it? Which story?
I was saying that storytelling, it is a part of communication skill improvement. If you take anywhere personal classes, then it is most important thing that you need to tell the story in the English language, and again trainer find out your mistakes. Yes, and
Okay.
that this is
Yes.
you have the great opportunity here, and really if you want to really improve your spoken English, you tell any
Okay.
story, I will find out your mistake, and again finally I will tell you, it will be great, I think, improvement for you. And this is free session for you, and for India English Bolega Abhiyan. Yes, I have started for that.
Okay. So I explain you that communication skill is very important, because if you have communication skill, so you easily understand what your senior. Then after that, for example, that your teacher and if you teach me, I'm not understand that what you teach me. So it's not a good communication. Okay. Then after, if we are go to any shop and I purchase some things, so we are discuss that rate. Every sellers give the highest price, and then after is other person is discuss that it's a very high price. So can you give me in a low price? So they tell that okay, but it's a fixed price, so I can't give to you. If you have, if you're very necessary, so you have to take in this price, otherwise it's not I can't give to you. Okay. Then after we are go to any coachings, so we watch that every teachers are provide a lot of educations, and they are okay. So this price and fees are too much, so every student are not paid these things. So how can it handle? So teacher convey that if you like that education is very important, so you paid, otherwise okay, we discount to you. If you are very interested, so we are discount 10% and 20%, that's it.
Great, fantastic. You well tried, and your story is nice. And I have written your 2 3 mistakes, and I would like to tell you, yes, and it will be great improvement for you. And if you will practice, then really next time your English will be improved. Okay, you have any problem? We are go any shop. We are go any shop. This is grammatically incorrect. We should say we go to any shop.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, yeah. Okay. Yes.
Because simple present tense subject plus verb one, we go any shop. Yes,
Okay.
R, that there is no requirement of R. Yes, we go any shop, we go any place. Yes, then R is not
Yes, yes.
required. Yes, and you said every seller give the higher price. Whenever you are talking
Yes.
every seller, it's mean that singular. Then every seller gives, not give. Every seller gives the in higher price.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Hmm.
And again you said we are go to coaching, we are go to coaching, so we are go to coaching, we if we go to coaching, if we go to
Okay.
coaching, there is no requirement of R. And you said we
Okay.
discount to you, we discount to you. Discount is a noun, that's why before that we need to put any, I think, verb, like we give you discount, we give you
Okay.
discount if 20%, 30% if you join our classes.
Okay. Okay.
Getting my point?
Okay. Okay.
Great.
Okay. Okay. I
Okay,
understand,
thank
because
you,
sir,
ma'am.
I'm a beginner, so I understand that I have a lot of mistake in grammatical mistake. Yeah.
That's why just you had this great opportunity today, and just you learned something, I hope. And thanks for joining, and really I appreciate you that you learned something and just you joined this conversation. Thank you, ma'am, and
Thank you
see
so
you
much.
next time.